So we are going to go over the Shirley temple, and it's we worked on it in class, then we will be adding it onto the dance. So tappers, here is our little tutorial, a reminder on how to do the Shirley temple, which we learned in class very recently. And if you're picking this up for the first time because you weren't in class, here's hoping I give you a clear enough picture of what we're going to be doing. So you start. I'm going to start with my right foot because I always start with my right foot. I don't know why. So we do a full lap double heel to the right. Brush toe, left heel, right heel, hinging that left toe up, and then you're going to spank back, heel drop on your right foot, toe back on your left, and another heel drop on your right. So 8 sounds. Brush, toe, heel, heel, spank heel, toe back heel. And I'll do that in time. 5, 6, ready, go. Brush, toe, heel, heel, spank, heel, toe, heel, brush, toe, heel, heel, spank, heel. One more time. Now we're going to add this into the dance, and potentially, if you feel confident and excited to do it, go for it. If not, that is okay. You can stay moving side to side, facing forward. But I'm going to add a little bit of a turn if you feel like you're up for the challenge. So that becomes, we do the beginning, and this hinge is going to send us back onto our left side. And then going back the other way like a washing machine, flip, flip, brush, toe, heel, heel, hinging on your right foot, spank, turn, toe, heel. Yeah? So trying that again, we're gonna go brush, toe, heel, heel, spank, heel, toe back, heel, brush, toe, heel, heel, spank, heel, toe, heel. There we go. I think you got it.